this is Diana, and welcome to my studio. And if you like mixed media, art journaling, acrylic painting, and more artsy stuff, then this channel is for you. Keep watching. Hello, so this is of a painting of my two kitty girl twins. They're twin sisters from the same litter. I got them when they were 3 months old. And I'm painting from a photograph, but I'm going to make this in a pop art style with non-realistic colors. And this is when they were kittens at 3 months old, or I don't know, maybe they were 6 months old, but they were under a year old, and they still had big ears and long tails because they had not grown all the way yet. So their ears appeared big, and their tails appeared very long. And there was we have some cat furniture, which is a round thing for them to sit in, and they could both fit in it, and they would fit in it like that, in the round circle part of the seat. And it was so cute. And now they are almost 6 years old, and only one of them can fit in there at a time. So it's pretty funny. One is named Maggie Moo. She's black and white, and she is I kept the names that they were given from the Forgotten Cats organization, where their mother was a feral cat. And they if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. So their mother was a feral cat and was rescued by the Forgotten Cats organization. And these cats were born in a veterinarian hospital. So one is called Maggie Moo because she has the markings of like a cow, like black and white. But that her name was given to her when I got her. And then the other cat's name is Cassie, and she's gray and white. So I drew this out ahead of time. I actually traced over the drawing with transfer, I don't know what you call it, ink transfer paper, and traced over the photograph onto my mixed media paper. This is my mixed media art journal that has mixed media paper. And then I traced over with black permanent marker, and now I'm just using watercolors. And I'm just going for the pop art style, non-realistic colors. I wish the colors were brighter. I'm going with all cool colors, a cool color scheme of blue, purple, and green. And some black there, some neutral colors. But after I did this, and saw that the cool colors weren't really that bright, I wish that I had done this in all warm colors, yellow, orange, and red, because then I think it would have been really bright. But and then I kind of see the one cat has the purple body, and then I switched, and then the other cat has the blue body, and then I decided, it would be kind of neat to like switch their heads to be different colors. So the one has the blue body with a purple head, and the other one has the purple body with a blue head. So I just thought that would be kind of neat to change things up like that. And let's see, I'm just using one page in my art journal. And I'm not doing anything fancy with the watercolors. It's just flat colors. And then I am going to add some acrylic paint. So by adding acrylic paint, this now becomes officially a mixed media painting, mixed media artwork. Because the pages in my journal are like manila colored. So if I want the white, I'm at the white. I do have white watercolor, but I thought maybe the white acrylic paint will just make it even whiter. Because my cats are like calico cats. They have white. One cat has white and gray splotches, and the other one has white and black. But here I'm making them purple and blue. So I'm just doing it kind of like in the pop art style. So I encourage you, if you're going to do this project, that you create, an art journal page about your favorite pets, a favorite pet that you have now or a favorite pet that you had in the past. Work from a photograph if you need to. And I guess it's your choice if you want to make it realistic, if you want to, what style you want to do it in, abstract, pop art style. It's up to you. And I look forward to seeing your creations. That's my second layer of watercolor paint there. I'm going to do second layer of all the colors. So these are close-up shots of the finished picture. I hope this gives you some inspiration, and I look forward to seeing your creations. And remember to let your creative light shine. And please check out my other videos. I have a video playlist here that are linked right here of mixed media, art, or other playlists that I have. Thank you so much for watching.